Welcome back to SmartFox TV. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
And today I'm going to talk about a really neat invention. If you or anyone at home uses a walking stick, wheelchair, or have mobility issues due to illness or injury, this awesome invention may be very applicable to you. Rob Karlovik's invention, the Life Glider, may become the next household name for anyone with mobility issues. The Life Glider has been in trials for the past 5 years for over 2,000 testers, and it was officially launched this past fall. Karlovik's Life Glider is different from other walkers in that it addresses two common issues with traditional walkers: poor posture and having to use your hands to move. Poor posture is from usually having to lean forward on a walk or a walking stick, which can cause you to fall. And these traditional devices also require using your hands, which limits your daily activities. With the Life Glider, it has allowed users to be at the center of gravity, which removes the fall risk and even helps improve their posture. And it strengthens their core. Karlovik believes in his invention so much that he actually went into debt when he first started. A designer based in San Jose, California, he was first inspired to create this invention when he saw a news story about disabled veterans who were coming back from Afghanistan. To address poor posture and use of hands, he made the Life Glider by building it backwards in that it supports the person from behind. A belt in the front supports and keeps the person on the walker. If interested in this latest invention, you can learn more about the device from their website and interesting testimonial videos that are out there. For now, here's a video of several people using the device. Thanks for joining us, and we hope you enjoyed hearing about a really neat new invention. If you would like us to cover any other inventions that you've heard of, or if you have some thoughts about today's invention, please leave us a comment below.
Hi everyone, and now it's time for a pop quiz. Question: what is another word for lexicon? Is it A, encyclopedia, B, dictionary, C, thesaurus, or D, index? Stay tuned for the answers.
Hello, I'm Chris Yates, and this is the news. First, in some good environmental news, IKEA, the Swedish furniture company, has purchased 11,000 acres of forest in Georgia in effort to preserve it from being developed. IKEA, which is striving to be a carbon-neutral company, has worked with the Conservation Fund and is now currently owning about 616,000 acres of forest within the United States and Europe. That's a lot of forest protected, which are vital carbon sinks. Good for IKEA. In other good environmental news, the Yangtze River in China, one of China's two mother rivers, is about to undergo several protections in order to restore the river from extreme pollution. 96 provisions take effect on March 1st, including a ban on fishing on all natural waterways of the river and a ban on all proposed chemical projects within 1 kilometer of the river. This is not only great news for the environment, this is great news for history, as the Yangtze is a UNESCO World Heritage Site where evidence of rice cultivation goes back to almost 5,000 years BCE. Lastly, and following a theme here, volunteers in Tennessee removed more than 9,000 pounds of trash from the Tennessee River. What's even more amazing is that this amount of trash was picked up by just 25 volunteers over 3 days. Two organizations, Keep the Tennessee River Beautiful and the Johnsonville State Historic Park, organized the event and still plan to clean out 100,000 pounds of trash by the end of the year. They are definitely on track to meet that goal. That's it for the news today. Until next time.
Welcome back to Pop Quiz. What is another word for lexicon? Is it A, encyclopedia, B, dictionary, C, thesaurus, or D, index? If you chose dictionary, B, you are correct. Now let's see here. Lexicon is a vocabulary of language, person, or branch of knowledge. An example sentence for this would be, it's hard to understand a child's lexicon because there's so much slang these days. Well, I hope you enjoyed this segment of Pop Quiz. And remember, lexicon is another word for dictionary.
You're watching SmartFox TV. I'm Chris Yates.
I'm Kim.
I'm Sally.
I'm Tracy.
Until next time, stay
Stay
foxy.
foxy.